Hello everyone, welcome to a new video today for how to add free stream overlays. 2025 collection in OBS. Don't forget subscribe. I wait you. I am grateful to you, my friend. First go to Google and open this site. I let him in description. First go to create account in this site. Great, you have plus 95 free stream overlays. Chose what do you want. After that, click download. Now go to the cart and complete the order. Now click download. After that, go to file, open it. You have all stream package. Now go to OBS Studio, go to Sources, CILC Plus, and choose Image. Open your image file and